Big idea design, utility, knife, TPA slide, grade 5 titanium pocket tool. Okay, comes with one of this replacement blade and a holder. That's cool. Leather. Okay, let's see what's all about. This one is one of a kind. I really like it. So first of all, there's a clip, and to pull this out, there's a Leo Clicks one, and this is a safety blade to open like a packaging, cut to the box. It's sharp, but it's not razor sharp. So it has let's see, one latchet and full latchet. To replace the blade is a little bit tricky. What I saw some instructional videos, pull it and remove it. It's actually pretty easy, and then I can put the sharp blade on it like this and slide it in. That's it. And now we have an actual blade to break apart boxes and whatever. It is so cool. I never seen utility blade, the miniature one, in that kind of design. Again, to remove it, pull it out all the way, push it on this way, and just wiggle it and remove it. That's it. And I put the safety end on it because I probably just need to open up boxes. That's it. And this will cut through paper easily. What a good idea. And this is not sharp, so it's extra safe. Streamlight wedge flashlight. Let's see what it's all about. It looks pretty big, but also like flat. Wow, that is so cool. It reminds me of like a folding knife. So easy to turn it on and off. That is so amazing. You know, when I was purchasing this, I thought it was a miniature. It is quite big, so I wonder if there is a mini one as well. That is so awesome, and it will fit so well. It reminds me of one of those OTF knives. This is so perfect. Streamlight wedge. It says it's hot here if used on maximum for too long. That is incredibly bright. And turbo, that is so awesome. So it is very simple. Just turn it on, make it brighter, turbo, that's it. I love it. That is so genius. There's a serial number and a button. There you go. That is cool. And a charger in the back. Wow, I really like it a lot actually. Here's the EDC bag organizer with this system. I forgot what it's called, but it can go to any kind of like straps like that, backpacks, like a vest, whatever. So it's easy to attach and detach. But what I like about this one the most, it opens this way, then we're going to unzip it and then open and fold, and all I have to do is grab this side and pull it slowly, and it will lift up the back of it. And now we have like access to the front and the back, especially if there is some weight on it, like for example here and there, it will actually hold it back. And let's say we have a knife here and so on gadgets, that'd be cool. Has a pouch over here. It has a big stop side here which will fit a knife really well, and like a pen and the other tools over here. Boom, looking good. There's like a drop pouch and a pouch with a zipper. Very cool. Very padded too, so I can keep it unzipped, unfold it all the way or closed. The cool thing is this one that comes with this system that is easy to attach it to the other modulars. So it's a clear modular for like a vest or a backpack. And this one has Velcro right here too. So I can put on top of it to this little things, different things like that. Edgeback Vantage razor sharpener. Check this out. When we open it, there's two sharpening stones and gears, and if we spin them, it will go up and down and sharpen the blade at a perfect angle. So whenever I put the blade in, it will lock in each other and it will sharpen it up very quickly. And again, you see how it's sharpening this side and then this side, both sides, and from that angle as well. That's pretty cool. And it will hold it tight. Easy to take it out. Very unique. This is a pencil. Tucson pencil. It's kind of hilarious. It looks like a little torpedo, but it's also nice to hold it this way. So it's pretty cool. If I need to break through something, boom, self-defense. And there's a pencil right here that will stay with the lanyard. Pretty rideable. I have very big hands and works really well for my hands too. Pretty lightweight. Nice. Beautiful. And this is a replacement. Very cool. Easy to get those things. Quite unique pen over here. Thought it was pretty cool. Civivi Hypersonic Folding Pocket Knife. What do they mean by that? Let's find out. Maybe super fast. Hypersonic meaning like it's extremely fast. Okay, so this is a new Civivi knife design. Okay. Whoa, that's cool. Look at the blade shape. GTC. Very nice. Open it. Very smooth. Yeah, it is quick. Oh wow, I can even open it this way. Let's see if I have enough stain. Maybe not anymore. You see? Yeah, it is much easier to do it with the flipper right here. Yeah, this is carbon fiber, maybe G10. Yeah, G10 handle right here. Inlay. Nice. Very interesting. This is just came out. I like Civivi knives. There you go. Hypersonic folding knife. It is quite tough to pull on it, so maybe that's why they call it, because we have to pull it quite hard for it to fly out, and then when it does, it goes fast. iMini 2 stylish magnetic and rechargeable mini light. I honestly never seen a light like this before. What? Yes, I did. But now, what is this? Does this come off and it charges here into USB, so like a power bank or whatever? That is amazing. Simple power bank USB. Who does not have a power bank? Just pull it out from a keychain, so my key stays maybe on my carabiner, and this will work, and then I can put it back. That is awesome. Or I can hold my keys like this and then put it back, and whenever I don't need to recharge it, I just put the cover back on. It doesn't like come off that easily, so there's no way I will lose it, or there will be like some kind of keychain here anyways. So to recharge it, I'll have to take it off and plug it in. That is really unique. I love that. First of all, magnetic activated light. It's always on if it's not connected. So cool. Wow, very stylish for sure too.